Alright guys, so I've been looking for something that I could use to make some sound effects for my videos, for my other channels and things. And so I went ahead and picked up this sound machine for about $12, $13 online. I'll put a link underneath where I got it if you want to check it out. And it has about, how many? And it has 16 different sound effects. I think it was pretty good for the price. Probably not all of them are something I would use, but it's got at least a half dozen good ones on here. Some are kind of funny, some are kind of clever or witty. But I'll go ahead real quick for anybody else who's looking for a sound machine or looking for something like this to use in their videos, and I'll run through the 16 sound effects real quick, just one after the other. So if you want to hear exactly what you're going to get with this, here you go. Let me go ahead and pop it out of the box. Alright, so that's what the sound machine looks like, and there's all your buttons. So let's just begin. We'll start on the corner here. And this first one is hands clapping. People laughing. People doing something else. Nice, that's a good one. Something. Another good one. Bomb. Shotgun. That one's pretty good too. Breaking glass. Let's try that one again. Alright, cha-ching. Winner is... pretty good. Classic. Spring. Light bulb. I got an idea. Alright, the last four. Whistle. Oh, nice one. Walking in on a girl in the bathroom, I guess. Fart. And burp. Alright, well that's the 16 sound, guys. That's it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you very much. See you next time.